Today we are looking at a hypothetical case of a veterinarian with encephalitis. What are the infectious diseases that match those two criteria? That is, veterinarians are susceptible and encephalitis is one of the complications of the disease. So on the first screen here, you can see this search has already been set up, and I'm going to show you how you get to this screen. So paging down, you click clear all, and then we will start putting this query into the app. First we'll select signs and symptoms, and at the bottom complication, and we'll find encephalitis. So we have, as you can see, 84 results for diseases in the database, 250 diseases. 84 of those have encephalitis as a complication. Going back to the first query screen, we're going to pick occupation, and there are several categories of occupations. We're going to choose health, and under health we're going to choose veterinarians. Now we have 22 results that match those two criteria. Going back to the search screen, we can also add an endemic to North America, and the results are now down to 16. We can see those 16 results, and first the results are listed alphabetically, and then after that you can see they're listed by the occupational hazard. So the first four are hazards to any veterinarian that handles a dog or cat and has a bite or scratch. The second four results are for a veterinarian who has the occupational hazard handle infected chickens or birds. The next six results are for handle domestic animals, and then three for handle infected rodents, not bite, and two results for touch infected farm animals, and one result for handle infected laboratory rats or mice. So if the veterinarian did not handle infected laboratory rats or mice, then he would not be susceptible to that disease. There are 7 results for handle animal carcasses or placentas, and 1 result for handle infected animals with a bite, 1 result for handle infected macaque monkeys, and then 1 for fecal oral transmission from a dog or cat, and finally handle primates that are infected with hepatitis A. So there are 16 results, and the results are sorted by the occupational hazard. So you can use this to help you define whether or not the veterinarian would be susceptible to each of the particular infectious diseases. You can see if we take out the North America, there are now 22 results. So the results now include some diseases that are not in the United States. For example, Nipah and Hendra viral diseases. If we go to brucellosis and see the profile for that disease, As I mentioned, there are 250 infectious diseases in the database. You scroll down through the information, and you can see under the signs and symptoms, the complications are listed last. The star before the name indicates that it is a complication. And one of the complications of brucellosis is encephalitis. In summary, there are 22 results for the criteria veterinarian and encephalitis, and 16 results when the criteria are limited to North America.